Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Fun with Charlene. Today we are going to be doing a snap-on smile. I did this once before. We're going to do a snap-on smile review. I did this once before and it was hilarious because I had no clue what I was doing. This kit comes with an upper and a bottom, and it comes with some bonding or whatever. I've tried this before to make sure I can get it correct. So I ordered this from Amazon for $35.97. I got 3 of these. I've been playing with 2 of them, so let's see what happens. So to do this snap-on smile, you need hot water, boiling hot, cold water, and I'm using a fork for extraction purposes. All right, so I'm going to open up the one that I have not used yet. Snap-on Smile. And like I say, you get these teeth, which I was using the whole thing and putting it in my mouth thinking those were the actual teeth, when in reality those were the molds. So here, let me get this out of the way and put the good ones up here and put the ones I messed up down there. All right, so here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the molding and put it in hot water. And it said to keep it in the hot water until it becomes transparent. This stuff is really sticky once it gets melted. So, and while I have that in there, I'd just like to thank you all for coming to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can become part of my family. Because I love everyone and I would like to have you all here. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I am here for your entertainment. If you want to have some fun and giggles or see what I'm up to, come on back here and check me out. So we are letting that, I think they said about 3 minutes. As you guys can see, it's almost becoming transparent. And that's what we're going to put into the teeth mold, which is right here. Figured it out. These are the bottom teeth. And these are the upper teeth. Alright, so that looks very transparent to me. That took about probably 2 minutes in the microwave. Alright guys, we are going to take, let's see, we're going to do the top one first. Okay, I'm taking my fork and taking out my gel, bonding, whatever you want to call it. And you can make sure your fingers are clean because this will be going in your mouth. So what I'm doing is molding it into the teeth mold so it'll fit in there. And once I put my mouth on here, all right guys, this can actually work if you're patient with it and if you know what you're doing. All right, I have patience. What I'm doing, I really don't know, but we're gonna see what we get with this. You ready? Here we go inside the mouth. It's the top. Okay. What we're doing, I'm holding it in my mouth so I can get an impression in the gel that will be able to put into the cold water to get a good mold from. So, I took that out. Now I'm going to put it in the cold water. And while that's in the cold water, we're going to do the bottom teeth. Okay, so let me grab my bonding out of the water. And we are going to play with it a little bit. Tease it, as my son used to say, tease it. Okay, so we're going to get a nice little wormy looking shape here. We're going to put it into the mold so we can do the bottom teeth. And what we're doing is once we get it in our mouth, we're just trying to hold it, press this up against your teeth to get the mold of the teeth here. All right, so here goes the bottom one. Bite on it. Alright. There we go. So you bite on it. Pressing the mold up against your teeth. Okay. There we go. Just pull it out because you might mess up the mold, so you just take your time. And so now, all right, so here we go. We are going to take the top out. Let's hope it works. See what we get. I'm gonna keep it up so you guys can see. All right, so that kind of snapped out. And these are reusable. You can, you know, if you mess up, you can do it again. That's the great part about it. It's a little difficult getting it out of the hole there. Ugh. Jeez. Okay, got it. All right, so these are my top teeth. Let's see what we got. There. What do you guys think? Which I'll put the, you know what, maybe these things, I don't have dentures. I don't have dentures, of course, but God, they feel like dentures in my mouth. I cannot really talk with these. Oh boy. But I did it. I wanted to show you guys that I can follow directions. All right, here's the bottom. All right, there it is. Now I have top teeth and I have bottom teeth. I'll get it close. Here, come here, guys. Look into my mouth. I see my yellow tooth. Oh, I don't know about this, but anyway, this is a finished product. Perfect smile. You know who I look like? I can't even say it. Jim Carrey in The Mask. But yeah, I can't really talk with these things. Again, it feels like I got all this stuff up in my gums. Sorry, I just spit. But this is how you do it. I did it again. And it's still, I give it a thumbs down. I cannot talk with these things. They're in there. Oh, they're stuck. They're stuck this time. Alright, so there we are. I did it. You guys can't say I didn't do it. What do you think? Go ahead and make a comment. Let me know what you guys think. But as far as actually, I mean, somebody may be able to get this to work and be able to talk with these in the mouth, but I have yet to be able to talk. It feels like I have chewing gum in my mouth. God, I hope I never need dentures, because I'll never be able to talk right again. Oh, you guys. Perfect smile. I did it. I did it correctly. So now you guys can see how it's done, what it comes with, and I did it. Okay, and that's my review. I give it a thumbs down because I can't get it right. I have tried 3 pairs, all 3 pairs now, and I cannot get it right. So you guys, if you want to try it, go ahead. Maybe you're better at it than I am. I'm going to take these out. Maybe you... Oh, God, I feel like my teeth are coming out. Maybe you guys are better at this than I am, but I cannot get it to work any better than that. So you can try it at your own risk. All right, you guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want more reviews, more recipes, more fun. Come to this channel, Fun with Charlene. You guys take care. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay blessed, and I love you all. Bye-bye.